Hey guys, thank you so much for coming to this video. So I recently did some shopping on Amazon. I ordered some stuff, so I just wanted to share with you guys the things I got. It's mostly beauty related, so if you guys are interested in my little Amazon haul, let's get into it. Alright, so this haul is not that big, but I just thought I'd share it in a video anyways. So the first thing I got is this S Aurora ice roller for your face. It says for face and eye, puffiness, migraine, pain relief, and minor injury skincare products. So it says it can be used daily to revitalize, refresh, and rejuvenate the skin. It also prevents wrinkle formation and lifts your face. Okay, I want all those things. It says just keep it in the freezer and just use it whenever. So it comes in this little bag. So it's just this little roller. So I saw Alexandria Garza. She uses one of these, so I thought it looked interesting. You just put it in the freezer and then you can roll it on your face. I've been using a Jade face roller recently at night, and I feel like it does help just kind of smooth your skin out and just kind of, it just feels good. So I was like, an ice one would be interesting. So I'm excited to try this and see what it does. Oh, and this is $19.99. I don't think I said that yet, but... and it comes in different colors. The next thing I got is the Honest Beauty blush in the shade Rose Pink, and somehow I accidentally ordered 2 of them. So I'm gonna send one back, but I don't even know how that happened. I've been wanting to try this blush for a long time, but this shade is like always sold out. So when I saw it, I had to get it. It just looks like that. Just, it's the most like neutral shade that they have. And feels nice. I don't know if I'll use a cream blush, but like everybody loves it, so I thought I had to try it. It's only $12.99, so that's a great price. So another thing for $12.99 is this pack of nails. It's 96 nails that you get, and you get 4 different shades. There's a white, kind of like a maroon, a rosy pink, and then like a gray. And I just thought I would try these out. They seem nice. I love me some Amazon nails. These ones are from Amazon. I don't love that they're so squared, and these ones are too, but I just thought I would try them because they're so cheap. Usually like one set is, you know, $10 to $15 at Target. To get this many for that price, I thought it was nice to just have some extras. And then 2, these are just plain, so I could always like do little designs or crystals or something if I wanted to. They feel really nice. They feel thick enough. They're not like thin and flimsy feeling. So I thought that was such a great deal. I had to get it. The next thing I got is a twin pack of the TheraBreath Fresh Breath Oral Rinse. 2 was $14.24. So I just want to try this. I feel like I keep seeing it everywhere and everyone says it works great. So I have tried it. It works okay. I feel like it didn't really do much more than like a normal mouthwash, but I'm going to keep trying it and see. The thing I really like about it is it's minty, but it's not like so strong that like your mouth is burning. It's just like a really mild, and this is the mild mint. So yes, it is mild. The next thing I got, which was also $12.99, I feel like everything's $12.99, is this set of lint rollers. So these are like sticky, it's like a layer of sticky stuff. Like you use it and then you just wash it and it stays sticky. It's not the sticky peel off sheets. I feel like I hate those. I never use them. But you just have to keep it in this little container so it doesn't like stick all over everything. But it has a big one, and then it came with this little mini one. So you could put it in your purse if you need to take it with you. But we always have like white fuzzies all over our black clothes, and I don't know what it's from. Like just have like my soft fuzzy blankets or pillows or something. I don't know, but it's just nice to have. And I love that it doesn't have the sticky sheets, so you're not ever repurchasing anything. They just are good forever. And the final thing that I got that I am most excited about is the Belle Splendor Beauty Roller. So this is a dupe for the Nurse Jamie one. I was ordering some stuff from Sephora, which I'll do a haul when I get it. It's taking forever. The Nurse Jamie one is a lot more expensive. I want to say it's like $60. So this is $24.94, and it comes with this. Ooh, that's a nice case. So it comes in a case. So it has like a nice carrying case. And wow, that's pretty heavy. Basically just this roller that you like roll your face. So this says it's anti-wrinkles, anti-aging, depuffing, face massage, and it's also for the body. So basically you just roll this around on your face and it's supposed to just help with like the drainage of your lymphatic something, I'm not even sure. Just kind of depuff and help with wrinkles and aging, just help kind of lift and firm your skin. So the Nurse Jamie one I've been wanting for a long time, and I was gonna buy it on Sephora and it was actually out of stock. So when I saw this on Amazon, I thought that looks really, it looks the same. So I'm gonna test this out. And then it came with a glittery eye mask. Let's open this. So, you know, for times when you need for times when you want a cooling mask or you just want to look like a Ninja Turtle, you know, it's nice. So that is my whole haul from Amazon. I know it wasn't much, but it was just some things that I was excited that I was getting. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know in the comments what your favorite thing from Amazon is. What did you order that you can't live without? Like, let me know because I want to test them out. I need to know what are the best things on Amazon. Also, please subscribe if you haven't already and turn on the little notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.